Prompt engineering begins with experience and intuition. LLMs will react differently to the same prompts depending on their programming and version. To improve AI responses, we need to creatively expand how we craft prompts and develop an intuitive understanding of how to choose and tailor them for project tasks. In prompt engineering, failure carries minimal risk. And in order to build our intuitive skills, we must experiment. So test those innovative and unconventional ideas. Be flexible with your approaches, and we encourage you to please explore beyond the methods we mention in this course. Now, how do we exactly build that prompt engineer intuition? Well, we begin by increasing our creative problem solving, which starts with documenting our prompts, which allows us to approach prompting as we would other project endeavors. And by adding documents to our knowledge base, we provide opportunities to learn lessons from and adapt old prompts for new challenges. Use our prompt documenting template found in our workbook to take your prompting to the next level. You can also share them within your community and on PMI's prompt library discussion board to make prompting more communal. Pattern recognition is another key component of building your prompt engineer intuition. Notice and document the prompt patterns and techniques that lead to high quality outputs. Use these observations to reinforce your prompts and explore new uses for LLMs, pushing the boundaries of what you know to be possible. If you discover certain persona patterns give you more realistic responses, or you prefer a standardized output format, document that and experiment with them in various prompts. Part of learning how to creatively problem solve with AI is using its advanced features. Use plugins, file uploads, computer vision, text-to-speech, APIs, and other tools if you need them. If you want a deep dive on this topic and want to learn more about the use of data with generative AI in your projects, take a look at the Data Landscape of Generative AI for Project Managers course. Overcoming the fear of mistakes is another key element of building your intuition. Each prompt is a learning opportunity. Get creative and experiment with LLMs for different tasks like document and sentiment analysis, translations, or presentation assistance. Take a walk through our Voice of the PM library for inspiration. Continuous improvement. By experimenting with various prompt patterns for identical tasks, you will discover which approaches are most effective across scenarios and LLMs. This helps you understand the limitations and capabilities of LLMs, enabling you to develop quick, effective prompting strategies. Small changes can significantly influence results, like including pleasantries or asking similar questions within the same chat rather than opening new windows. Be clear and specific in your prompts. Test both simple and detailed prompts to identify which yield the best results. Over time, identifying the optimal level of detail will become more intuitive. Seek feedback from peers. Getting perspectives from others on your prompts can help refine them and spark new ideas and ways to use prompts you never thought of. Post your successful prompts to our discussion board for others to use and react to. You're helping push the community forward. Above all, remember to be patient. Trust your learning process and persistently challenge your abilities. Remember, there are no penalties for failure, just rewards for success. Thank you so much for watching. Want the full course? You'll have access to all module videos, more prompting techniques, over a dozen use case and demonstration videos from our PM community, the Prompt Engineering for Project Managers workbook, and so much more. You can find the link to the course in the description below.